Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here with a video. It's been a while. um, I wanted to come on and share my Thanksgiving cards for family and friends this year for 2019. Um, I believe last year I did a pumpkin with different pattern papers and this year I wanted to do more of a, with the pumpkin pie and a turkey. I used papers from Hobby Lobby this year since I have a Hobby Lobby near me. I got this really cool, it says crisp apple, turkey, pumpkin cranberries, so it's really festive. I used this plaid paper, some cardstock from my stash, trying to just only use things. But anyway, this is a die set that I got from AliExpress, and it came with these leaf dies as well. And I just wanted to use the words, give thanks. I painted brown paper, and then I used this dark bronze paint from Target. I'm sure I could have gotten it from Michael's or AC Moore or Hobby Lobby, but I was at Target and I went through the craft, and since I was there I picked it up. And it just really gives this nice coppery look, or bronze look, or whatever. I used this die from Technique Tuesday. It's a really cute die. It has apples and pears. This is like the steam from the pie. It's a really cute die. I wanted to use those up. This was more time consumed than anything else because you have to die cut each piece out in different colors. Like I had to do it in orange and then this kind of tan color, which I distressed with my walnut stain. And then, I couldn't find myself to pop up, use all these tiny little pieces in there. So all I did was put paper behind it and called it a day. It was just too much. But it's a really cute die, I have to say. I used these leaves that I got from Michael's, and I'm trying to use them up. Like I've gotten through this pack pretty well. And I make at least 12 to 14 cards of the same pattern. So I have to make sure I have enough product to do it. So I have these leaves, and I used a button, which I know I'm going to have to pay extra for shipping from my button stash. And then I have some twine that I made into a bow, and I just hot glued it on to my button. Then I added some of this heart bling from Dollar Tree. I bought several sheets of those, so I wanted to use them up, and I added it to the eye in Give because the eye was too tiny, or the little dot was too tiny, so I replaced it with a heart. And this is my card. I love it. I think it's a really cute format, and I hope my family and friends enjoy them. So thanks everybody for stopping by and watching my videos when I post them, and commenting. I really appreciate it. And I know I keep saying I want to do more videos. I just, don't have the time or the mojo to do it. So hopefully I'm gonna get back into it. I have some things brewing up, and hopefully I can come back and share them with you. So thanks everybody for watching, and have a great week, and happy Veterans Day to all. Yeah, have a great one. Bye guys.